Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're looking to enhance your Firestick experience, one of the best ways is by adding the Firefox browser. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to get Firefox on your Firestick. It's super easy, so let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your Firestick. First things first, we need to enable the option to install apps from unknown sources. Don't worry, it's perfectly safe. Just follow these steps. Go to Settings from the main menu, then scroll to My Fire TV. Click on it, and then select Developer Options. Here, you'll see two options, ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources. Make sure both are turned on. Great. Now your Firestick is ready to install Firefox. Step 2. Install Downloader app. Next, we need an app that will help us download and install Firefox. This app is called Downloader. Let's get it. Go to the Firestick home screen and use the search function. Type in Downloader and select the orange Downloader app from the list. Click Download or Get to install it. Step 3. Download Firefox APA. In the Downloader app, you'll need to enter a URL to download the Firefox APA file. In the URL field, type in firefox.com and click Go. This will start the download process. Once the download is complete, you should see an installation prompt. Click Install. After a few moments, Firefox will be installed on your Firestick. Step 4. Launch Firefox. Now, let's launch Firefox and make sure everything is working perfectly. Go back to the home screen, then navigate to your apps and channels. You might need to click on See All to find Firefox. Once you see it, select and open it. Conclusion. And there you have it. Firefox is now up and running on your Firestick. You can browse the web, watch videos, and do so much more. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Happy browsing, and see you next time.